Meaning of drawdown.
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 Drawdown. Drawdown refers to the peak-to-trough decline of an investment's value during a specific period. It measures the largest loss an investor could have experienced if they purchased at the highest point and then sold at the lowest point. Drawdown is an important metric for assessing the risks associated with an investment. A larger drawdown represents a higher potential loss and a greater risk to the investor. Therefore, investors are advised to consider drawdowns when building their portfolio and implementing risk management strategies to minimize losses.